When you are ready to create your new loyalty rewards account, you will log into your doTERRA account, and over on the right side of the screen you will see a little purple section that says your loyalty orders. If you've never created a rewards account before, you will not have an existing order template like this, but you will have a link that says create new LRP. So you will click that. It will prompt you to pick a date that you want the order to process. As a reminder, if you process your order by the 15th of the month and it is at least 125 PV, you will qualify for the free product of the month. Once you have your date, click Save and Shop, and then you can add whatever items you would like to your order. I'm going to add the Lifelong Vitality Pack, of course, because I get that every month. When you do that, doTERRA does allow you to add up to 3 additional nutritionals at an additional discount. So if you want to do any of those, add them to the cart, you just click the little plus sign. And when you're done, click continue. And then to view your bag, you'll go over to the shopping bag and select review order, and it will show you what your order is so far. If there's anything else that you would like to add, you can do it with this quick search bar right here. Once you have everything in your cart that you would like, you will be able to tell what your subtotal is over here, as well as the current PV and how many rewards points you will be earning off of that order. Once your order is as you would like it, just make sure that you click Save and Process on the date that you selected. If you ever want to change the date that you selected or that your order is set to process on, you can do so by clicking the little calendar icon at the top. If your order is 100 PV and you've qualified for free shipping, it will indicate that here for you. And then down the road, once you have accumulated some rewards points, you will be able to find your existing rewards balance right here. When the time comes and you are ready to use those points, you will do that here in this screen as well. There's a column right here that says use points, and so any product that you have in your cart that qualifies to use those points will have a little drop down menu, and you can just select that. If you are using your points, just note that you will not be able to save and process. You will have to proceed to checkout right away. But that is how you create your order. Again, once you're done, make sure you hit Save and Process. I am not going to save this one because I do not want to create the second template. But once you will go back to this main screen. You can do that by going and clicking Shop, or you can come to this screen by going to Account and selecting Loyalty Orders. If you ever want to get back into your rewards order to update any products, then you can do that here as well. And if you ever want to create a second rewards order, so let's say you process your rewards order and then you realize you need something else later that month, or the BOGO box comes out and you want to take advantage of that and stock up on some oils at a really great price, then I personally never ever recommend that you do a one-time order. Once you are on the rewards program, you want to get points back on your purchases. So just create an additional template, go through the process I just showed you, let the order process, and then once it's processed, it will save that order for the following month, and all you'll have to do is go into that order to update the products, and there will be an option for you to delete that order.